Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to do the beginning part of our Snowman in Action project. You need your white Model Magic and you need a Ziploc bag or some kind of plastic container. That way you can store it in those areas so that your Model Magic does not dry out. Remember, if it's exposed to the air, it will dry and we don't want that. So first thing you're going to do is open up your Model Magic container. And then you're going to take out some Model Magic. As you can see, it's kind of cool. It feels like fluffy, almost like a giant marshmallow here. It's kind of fun. You can, again, take whatever you're not going to use, wrap it up real good in its packaging, and then you want to put it away for safekeeping. Once you do that, you have to make a decision about your snowman. Do you want your snowman to be attached to the base or unattached to the base? So if I want to attach it to the base, I have to kind of like mold my Model Magic, and you could roll it up in your hands and pull it and squeeze it, get it really working. The more you use it, the softer it gets. And if you're going to make the body attached to the base, you have to make a decision. Is the bottom part of the snowman attached to the base? Are my legs attached to the base? Or is my head attached to the base? Maybe the snowman's upside down. So as you can see, I'm just holding it in my hand and I'm starting to mold the bottom part of the snowman like right from the base. So as you know, a snowman is made with a sphere. So I just keep moving my hand around until I get that shape that I want. Remember, the bottom part of the snowman is also the biggest snowball or biggest sphere. So you want to make sure that everything after is smaller. So you want to start with a pretty significant base. And then I could shape the base to how I want. Now the base could take a part in the action of your snowman. What's your snowman doing? So you have to kind of figure that out before you actually start building. You know, is your snowman ice fishing? Is your snowman skateboarding and doing a trick on the skateboard? Is he playing guitar? Like, what is your snowman doing? So here I am with the base and the bottom snowball just coming right out of that. Okay, then for the other parts of the snowman, I would actually form, you know, separate spheres, and I would connect them to that base or body of the snowman. So now I need my Model Magic again, and I want a sphere that's slightly smaller, not too small. Again, the more you work with it, pull it apart, mold it in your hands, the easier it'll be to work with. Now this might be a little too big for the middle. As you can see, it's a little bit close to the same size. The great thing about Model Magic is that it like automatically sticks. It's not like regular clay where you have to slip and score it. So that would probably be a better size. And then how I can also make sure that I attach it is you might have toothpicks at home. So you can stick the toothpick in here, put a little bit of Elmer's glue on there. Once you have the glue on the toothpick, you could stick it in, and that makes it extra secure. Now, as you can see, I have some wrinkles and lines here. I don't really want that. I would work it some more to make sure it's really smooth. And then again, I would do the top of the head the same way. So that's how I make the bottom part of the snowman attached to the base. If I didn't want to attach it to the base, then I would make 3 separate spheres, make the base separately, and again, attach them with the toothpicks like you saw before. And those are the ways to make your snowman beginning.